Good evening, all. How are you? Shall we discuss the question paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hope you all are.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are doing really great. And how do you feel? Those who are from yellow region, they have to attend online class. I mean, extra session class, which is going to start from.
Yes, sir.
When it going to start?
7, like when the tuition like at
Exactly.
7.
Yes, yes. So everyone, people are joining late. Yes. Now actually, those who got less than 70%, they have to join the class. Okay, they have to stay back so that we'll be discussing very good questions. I mean,
Yes, sir.
very good questions is nothing but we'll be discussing what is the reason behind not getting good marks. And where is that paper? 1 second, let me show the paper.
Like there's some mistake in the question, so that's why I lost like 2 questions.
No problem, no problem.
Same, sir.
So that's the only area where I lost.
It's fine. It happens actually. See, every time like there is nothing like we will be getting we will be doing right. Sometimes we do wrong also, no problem. But we have to make sure that next time we will not repeat the same mistake again. So that is what we shouldn't. That is what we should make sure actually same mistake we are not repeating again in the next exam. So that is what you have to make sure actually. So let me share the screen. Just a minute. Yes.
No, sir. I mean, like some questions in the paper were wrong.
Paper were wrong. No problem. Then we will just.
Yeah, so that's the area where I lost marks, sir. Only there.
That's where you lost the marks. No problem. Then what we do
Yes,
is
sir.
yes. We'll correct them. It is like every time it is happening because of that like auto generated paper. Completely fine. It is not a big deal at all. So first of all, let me open this. Yes. Look at this. The first question, the value of 25x square plus 16y square plus 40x.
It's 1, sir. Because 25 plus 16.
1 second. So how many of you did this question? Beta, look at this here. 25x square plus 16y square plus 40xy. At x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1. What you have to do? Substitute x value and y value in a given polynomial. You will get it.
Them.
Very simple.
Yes, so 25 plus 16 minus 40.
You
So
got option C. You got great.
1, sir. 1. Yes, sir. 1.
Next question. Find the value of this thing. Find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc.
Yes, sir.
So just substitute.
So this we have to substitute and then we'll get my 1.
Minus 125, b cube is nothing but how much? Minus 216.
My 216, so minus 216 plus 1000.
Minus
900.
900.
900, sir.
Minus 900 divided by a into
by
b. 30.
Sir, 30.
Minus
30 plus, minus 60 minus 50.
50. Minus
25.
minus 25.
Minus 36.
Minus 100.
Minus 100.
So you will simplify this, you will
100.
get option 1. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Very
One
simple.
sir.
Adding and dividing, everyone knows that. Hope you got this. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Degree of the zero polynomial is what? Degree of the zero polynomial
Not
is
defined, sir.
not
Not
defined. You
defined.
can't degree that. You can't have zero polynomial is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but what? All the coefficients would be 0. This is 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0. So you can't define them. So very simple question. Next.
So you have to like take 1/6 common, so it will be x square plus
1
x.
second. So what are the factors of this here? What
So
are the factors?
first common factor.
Yes. If you take 1/6
Like
common,
6x square by 6 plus x by 6 minus 1/6. Yes, so it will be x
first of
square
all,
plus
6x
x.
square plus x minus 1/6. Okay. So 1/6 outside. So 6x square
So
plus x minus
6x
1.
square.
So 1/6 can be written as 6x square minus. How do you write this as? So 6x square plus
So we
3x.
can write it as plus 3x minus 2x.
Yes, very
sir.
good. So splitting middle term method. So what can you
Yes,
take
sir.
common?
So 3x common.
3x
3x
common.
common, sir.
2x plus 1 minus 1 common.
2x
2x
plus 1 minus 1 common. 3
So
2x plus
again
1. So
1/6
6 into 3x minus 1
2x.
into 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1 2x plus common.
Or
addition.
option second, I think. Yes, sir.
Option second is right. Any doubts, children?
Yes.
Children, any
No,
doubts?
sir. No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, in this you have to substitute A and then you have to equate them.
That's
Because
it.
it said they both are the factors.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Oh, next question. If x plus a is a factor of this thing, factor of this 1 second.
So we have to substitute it because and we have to equate
Factor of
it.
this. Let me change the pen 1 second. Yes, x plus is a factor of this and this. Then the value of a is what? See, you have to substitute x value as -1 minus a
And then equate them.
That's it. Why?
Yes,
Because this
sir.
is a factor, this is a factor. So I can equate this both the factors. So x plus 1 is a
A
factor, is nothing
square
but x plus a is equal to 0, x is equal to minus a,
minus
x is equal
A.
to minus a. I'll be substituting here. So what you get, beta? Minus a
A square.
plus p into minus a plus
Yes,
q
sir.
is
Plus
equal
Q.
minus a whole square
Square.
plus m into minus a
Minus
plus n. So a square minus
plus
minus
PA.
ap.
PA plus Q. PA plus Q, sir.
1 second. I think new student is joining.
Plus Q.
Plus q is equal to
Q.
minus
A square and minus MA plus N. So A square and A square will get
get
cancelled.
cancelled. So what you left with now?
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. You will be
Yes,
left with
sir.
am plus am minus ap.
Yes, sir. Just take A common.
So a common. So m minus
Uh,
m
yes,
minus
sir.
p is
P.
equal to
Yes, sir.
n minus q. So a
M
is
minus A is equal to N minus Q by M minus B. Yes, sir. The second one.
this is the option. Which option is correct? Option B is correct.
Second one, sir.
Any doubts, children?
So this one's 54, sir.
No
Access
doubt,
to
sir.
Yes, I think Jasmita has joined now. Jasmita R. Why are you late, Jasmita R?
Sorry, sir, technical problem.
Jasmita R. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why are you late, beta?
Technical problem, sir.
Okay, okay. Next class onwards, please be on time. So yesterday, have you attempted the test?
No, sir.
Okay. So next week onwards, you attempt the test regularly. So what we have done is yesterday we conducted an exam on the lesson called polynomials. What is that lesson name? Polynomials. Polynomials lesson we had an exam on. So and we were going with real numbers, right? Today you'll be having an extra class from 7 to 7:30. Please be attended for that class.
It's a number system, right? Number system or real numbers?
No. Yes, number system only. But for state board students, first chapter is real numbers, and for you guys, it is a number system. So anyway, we'll be learning the same concepts again. So under real numbers, what are the things you will be learning? Like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational numbers. Whatever we have learned, same thing again comes under real numbers. So that is what. But it is a state board. That is a CBSE. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Yeah. So this is what the question is all about, beta. So second option is correct. So just you try to listen the class, try to observe what I'm explaining here. So yesterday's question paper I'm discussing in today's class, beta. Okay. So you listen the class, and if you don't even understand anything, that's fine. In the next, we'll be starting polynomials very soon. Then you can solve the questions. You will be understanding, no problem. Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
Here, find the
But we already started polynomials, right?
Sorry.
Sir, I mean, we already started polynomials, right? So we already started polynomials, right?
We already started polynomials, but I'll be taking extra classes for the students who have not understood, those who have joined very recently. For them, I'll be taking an extra class and covering up so that they also balance. They also can balance with you guys and they can continue with you like that. So
yes,
find the remainder of this polynomial.
This 54, sir.
Divided by this one.
X is 2. Yes, sir. It will never be negative.
X is equal to 2,
yes,
it will never be negative. So option A or D should be correct. So X is equal to 2 means 2 square.
2 square 4 plus 32 plus 18, which is 54.
4 plus 32 plus 18.
So it can never be 10, sir, because
it can be never 10. Look at here itself, you have 38 greater than 10. So it can be never 10. Option D is correct. Isn't it? So find
that. Sir, that 15 square is itself greater than we can say, sir. When we before we even multiply it.
Yeah. So
yes, 18 is also there before we.
Yeah, before the 18 you have. So, but you can see here, yeah, you have 18 here, but you can't say immediately.
Yes, sir, because it might be minus 2.
Yeah, might be minus. X coefficient can be minus also. So you can't immediately say. By looking, yes, you have to do. Yes, and but you have here after substituting anyway X is 2 only, so positive only. So it can't be negative, and it can't be 10 also. Without even solving, you can put a D option. Very simple question.
Sir, and the next problem I didn't see which is the polynomial.
Yes. So degree of the polynomial.
So we can't see the polynomial.
Yeah. I'll reduce that. I'll update the results. So 7th question is wrong, beta. Degree of the polynomial is what? Then it should have been something like this.
Yes, so then it will be 3, sir, definitely.
As per the,
answer,
yes. The option is 3.
It is 3, sir.
Yes, option B is correct. If I write cubic polynomial, something like this, it is a cubic polynomial which has degree 3. Okay, so degree would be 3 as per the answer given to you. I just wrote a question, but it is an invalid question. You did not get a polynomial to identify the degree of that particular polynomial. So I'll be not considering this question. I'll be giving you bonus, and I'll not be giving bonus actually. What I do here is I'll just take that question away. So out of 80 question, right? So 4 marks has gone. So I'll be taking maximum marks as 76. So I'll consider out of 76 how much you got, and I'll give a percentage like that. So it will not be, you will not be getting, you'll not be losing your marks, and it will not be affecting for your result as well. Okay. Yes.
So if other than this question, if we get full, then we got full.
100%. Yes. Then look at this here. This is also very good question. A6
yes, sir.
79B is a 5-digit number in a decimal system, which is
so I have to not divide this actually.
72 is nothing but 9 into 8.
8 into 9.
8 into 9. So divisible by 9. For suppose a number is divisible by 9 is nothing.
Sir, it's B option, sir.
Yes.
It's a B option because 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 is 27.
Just a minute. Look at this here. 72 can be written as 9 and 8, right? So a number which is divisible by 9, how do you identify that? Sum of all that numbers should be divisible by 9. Correct? Divisible by 8 is what? Last 3 digits. How many digits? Last 3 or 4?
Yes, sir. Actually, we don't need to check. So depending on the option, I check because of 9, sir.
Yeah,
9 is more easy,
you
sir.
need not to check, but I'm asking you divisible by 8. How do you check?
Last 3 numbers, sir.
Yes, last 3 numbers whether divisible by 8 or not, you will be checking. Now look at this here. You have A plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus B. So whether divisible by 9 or not, how do you check? So
sum of all digits. So the first option is not true, sir, because it
sum of all digits. Look at this is 13 plus 9. How much? 22. So 22. Then A plus B should be what?
It should be 5, sir. 5.
It should be 5. It should be 5. Then
Yes,
only
it's
it
a
becomes
B1, sir.
27, which is divisible by 9. So option B should be correct. If it is 6, what happens? It becomes 28. If it is 7, it becomes
29, and if it's 4,
not
it will be
divisible by 9.
26.
It will be, if it is
If
4,
it's
it's not
4, it
divisible.
will be 26.
So this, if it is 4, it will become 26. If it is 5, it will be 27, which exactly divides by 9.
7, yes.
Oh, which exactly getting divided by 9. But if you add 6 also, you'll be getting 28. If you add 7 also, 29. So none of these numbers are divisible by 9. So you can't say 4, you can't say 4, you can't say 6, you can't say 7 also. Option B is correct, which is 5. A plus B should be what? 5. Then only the particular number will be divisible by 9. Hope you got the point. Let me
Yes,
erase
sir.
that. Hope you are getting, guys. See here, the question paper discussion would be somewhat,
Yes, sir, getting.
the question paper discussion would be slightly in a faster mode. Why? Because already we have discussed all these questions. So I'll be not wasting much time on this. Next question. Shall I go for the next question? Do you want me to?
Yes, sir. The
Yes,
next
sir.
question is x cube minus y cube, and then x
Wait,
cube
wait.
plus
Hello,
y.
hello, 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 hello. Wait, just a minute, just a minute. Who is Venkat Reddy? Hello, guys. Who is
Yes, sir.
who is that, beta?
Sir, my name is actually a little different. I can't change. I'm not able to change it.
What is your name? Tell me.
My name is Sahasra.
Sahasra. Okay, I changed it. Sahasra. So very good. So now let me clear the screen. Are you able to understand Sahasra?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? How much you got yesterday in yesterday's exam?
Sir, I actually didn't attend the exam because I was outside.
Why?
Sir, I was actually outside the whole day, so I didn't attend it.
You can't say like this, but you have to attempt every exam. Then you go outside. Till 11 o'clock it was available. So you may attempt from 9 o'clock to, look at it here, from 9 o'clock to, where is that? From morning 9 a.m. to night 11 p.m. In between,
Like if you
1
do
second.
properly, sir, that only takes 20 to 30 minutes.
Any 1 hour you take and just attempt the exam. 9.
Yes,
so
sir. 1
almost
hour or 1 hour 15 minutes.
14 hours of time you have. In 14 hours, you choose 1 hour to write the exam. You have 14 hours of time. Okay, choose 1 hour. So I'm sure the exam would be for 1 hour 15 minutes, but you'll be finishing within 1 hour only. But those 15
Yes, sir.
minutes
I
extra I
finished
gave
within
you,
1 hour.
those 15, those 15 minutes extra I gave you because many of you were not able to finish on time. So I just wanted to give extra time for them to solve the questions. Next. Next question, guys. Factorize x to the power of 12 minus y to the power of 12. How do you factorize this?
Sir, like
how
we
do you
can
write this?
divide
Sir,
this
your
by-
voice is breaking.
So factorize x to the power of 12 minus y to the power of 12 we have here. How
Yes,
do you,
sir.
how do you
X power of
factorize this?
6 plus y power of 6.
Yes. You can
Sir,
write,
like on identity, sir.
yes, yes, you can write like this: x to the power of 6 whole square minus y to the power of 6 whole square.
Yes.
Correct?
Plus into x.
Yes.
Sir.
If you write like this, this can be written as what now? X to the power of 6 plus y to the power of 6.
X power 6 plus y power 6 into
Now again this can be written as what?
6 minus y power.
Again this can be written as what?
X power 3 plus y power 3.
X power of 3.
X cube plus y cube into x cube minus y cube.
No, sir. X cube plus y cube whole power 2.
Yes, like that.
So like that's the step, sir. I just
Okay.
directly
A
wrote
square
it.
plus b square is nothing but what here? A square plus b square is nothing but what?
A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Yes, sir.
No, a plus
B into a minus
a plus b whole square minus 2ab.
Yes, sir. That's what I was saying.
Minus 2ab. Okay, this is the answer of this bracket. Now what is the answer of this bracket? This is also a square minus b square. So a cube, this one, correct? A plus b into a minus b, correct? Understood my point?
Yes.
Now again,
Yes,
what
sir.
we do
So,
here?
sir, like all questions
Well,
are
like
in
what I did was, sir, I did it like x cube plus y cube into x cube
Then look at
minus
this here.
y cube.
Yes, yes. We can do one thing here. Instead of doing all this, we can do one thing. Still, we can do like this. Where is that? Yes. You can do like this also. X to the power of 12 minus y to the power of 12 can be written as x to the power of 4 whole cube minus y to the power of 4 whole cube. Can you write like this? A cube minus b cube formula?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can, sir. There are different
Sir, and
ways.
then a cube. Yes, sir. And this will be. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, so like x power 4 minus y power 4. Sir?
Yes. 1 second. I think I'm unable to write with this. Just a minute. Give me time. Oh my God. What's happening here? A cube minus b cube, guys. How many of you did this question?
Sir, me, sir.
What about others? Very
Yes.
simple question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
but like there are different ways and how you can do it.
Yet you can write in different ways actually. It's a pretty simple actually. See, I'll tell you.
Sir, but in this question, sir, it almost took me so much time, sir, just to understand the
second,
question, sir, because like x12, I thought like
Yeah.
x into 12 it is.
Yes. Whatever we did, that is pretty clear. You can do in that way also, no problem. Let me create some space actually. It is blinking. I don't know. See, I'm writing again. It is clearing up. 1 second. What we do here is, or else several ways you have to solve it. Look at it here. X to the power of 4 whole cube. We can write x to the power of 6 like we did. X to the power of 6, y to the power of 6 whole square. You can you can do like this. Okay, and this can be written as x to the power of 6
plus y power 6.
X to the power of 6 plus y to the power of 6 into x to the power of 6 minus.
Yeah, and then divide x power 6 and then yes, sir.
Again, this can be written as x cube plus whole square plus y cube plus whole square, x cube plus whole square minus y cube plus whole square. So minus whole square. So again, this can be written as what? A plus b. Or else you do one thing, beta. Instead of writing cube, we'll write like this. Better, it will be better, right? X
Yes,
square.
sir. X square x. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? X cube
Yes,
plus y
sir.
cube. So a cube plus b cube formula is what? A cube plus b cube formula is what? A plus b.
X square plus y square.
No. A plus b into a square. I mean
A square minus x square.
A square is nothing but a square, right? Be careful. A square minus.
Sir, this is a cube minus b cube. Yes, sir.
1 second. No, a cube minus b cube. Instead of a square minus b square, you write, man. Not like that. Wait. I'll tell you. I don't have space here. Let me do one thing. What's happening? Yes. Let me write here. So a cube plus b cube, right? So you can write like this. A cube plus b cube formula is what? A.
Sir, a cube plus b cube is x.
A plus b into a square.
Sir, which property is this?
I'll tell you. I'll write. Wait. Into a into b plus b square. Okay. Now this can be written as what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. I'll write the property. Beta, look at this. I'll write with that is why I created a space. Isn't it looking like a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square
Yes,
minus ab plus b square. Now this isn't it looking like a square minus b square property, which can be
Yes,
written as a plus b into a minus b. So just I wrote like that. Okay, beta. Now here, now what you do here is very simple. After this, what we do here is you take one thing. Yeah, you take one thing common here. What can we take common? What can we take common? You write one thing. One thing you write here: x square plus y square as it is. X to the power of 4 minus x square y square
Yes, sir, I got the
4
thing. Yes, sir.
x cube plus y cube, then x cube minus y cube. Okay, now what you
Yes,
do is,
and this is looking like a cube plus b cube again. The x cube plus
yeah,
y cube.
a cube minus b cube. So again, how can we write this as? This can be written as what? Let's write.
Sir, x plus y.
So let's write this as it is: x square plus y square, x to the power of 4 minus x square
X square
y
plus
square
y
to the
square.
power of 4, a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube formula is what?
X plus y.
A plus b into a
A
square
plus
plus
b into a
ab
square minus ab plus b square.
minus ab, sorry, minus here, right? Here minus
Yes, so minus ab plus b
minus
square.
ab plus b square. Now a cube minus b cube formula is what, beta?
Yes, sir, it's x minus y.
X
So x
y
minus
into
y into x square plus
xy
xy plus z plus y square. Yes, sir, the first
Look at
one.
this here.
Sir, give
This,
the answer in chat box.
okay, this I wrote like this. This I am writing like this. This as it is I'm writing. These two together I'm writing as it is. Okay. Hope you got the point.
It's all correct, sir. It's not.
Now, what can we take common? We can take one thing common here. What can we take common? We can take. We have to check. That's it. We have to check x plus y into.
Yes, sir, that's it. You don't need
That's
to
it.
take any common.
Any common. That's it. Look at it. But if it is in jumbling order, so you have to. It is jumbled. Actually, you have to identify x minus y given. So x minus y into x square plus xy. Okay, option A is correct, I think. Then x plus y into x square minus x. We have.
Yes, sir, this should be first, but
Then
that
x square plus y
doesn't.
square available here. Okay, everything is correct. Option A is correct. Option A is correct, but the entire option is given to you there. You have to check it properly. The entire option is given to you there. You have to check it properly. Correct? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Very simple, but I wrote the formula. That's
Sir,
it.
I give the same answer for that in the chat box, sir. Like a different way.
Yeah. Anyway, but you got the point, right? Anyway, you can solve it.
It's same in which order you multiply.
Yeah.
Sir, it's like same in which order you multiply.
Yeah. It completely depends on in which order you are multiplying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next question.
Yes, sir, we got it. Yes, sir, and the next one we have to take three
Wait,
comments. Sir, I
wait.
actually didn't
Hello.
understand this question, like-
Wait, Chotu, wait. Shall I clear this screen? Children, shall I clear the
Okay,
screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Factorize this one. It is a pretty simple. So factorize this is nothing but look at it as 6x cube minus 24 x y square minus 3x square y plus 12y cube. How can you factorize this? This is a very, very good question.
Sir, that was 12 cube, right? Like I got confused with that 3.
12y, but it is looking like that, but in exam it will be 12. See, if I go with the paper properly, it will be looking like x cube only. It is not yx cube. So we
Yes,
can't.
sir, because 3x 2y, it can't be like 3x and 2y. It's to be
Yes.
3.
You can just identify like that also.
Yes, so you have to take
Sir,
3
like
comments.
if you do a shift plus 6, sir, that arrow.
Sorry.
Sir, I'm telling that like when you like type these questions, sir, like instead of just typing the normally the power, you can just put a like shift plus 6, and then you can type the power.
Shift plus
6.
I didn't get you. Shift plus
Shift plus number 6, sir. 6.
6. Okay.
Yes, that will be like a up arrow thing. So that is none other than the like a power symbol, right?
No. I will not type it. I'm not typing all this. You see, in Word you can do like that, but in Word you can do like this. But here it is machine generated paper.
Yes, sir, it's machine generated.
Yeah. So now what can we take common, beta? Can I take 3 common? Of course, why? Because
Yes,
I am
sir.
taking 3 common. All the options are available with 3 common. So I will be
Yes.
taking 3 common. Jashmita, are you able to follow the class, Jashmita?
2x cube minus 8xy minus x square y
Jashmita
plus
R.
4y.
Jashmita R, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So no problem. It might look something different to you, but these all questions are very brilliant questions. Superb means superb questions.
Yes.
I don't think so you find this type of questions in your textbook. So other than your textbook, we are solving somewhat advanced questions. So really these questions helps a lot. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
please do listen, no problem. You see after attending polynomials class also, what you do is you just go through these papers are available actually. These papers will be available. So you just go
Yeah, I
through the
said
topper.
Google Class.
No, it is not in Google Classroom. The notes will be available in Google Classroom. These notes I can't share actually. I can't take printout. See, that is why I'm just asking you to, yes, if you want to go through these notes, then again you have to watch recording. But notes I can't provide for this lecture. For every question paper discussion, I will not be providing notes beta. Why? Because I'll be writing on the screen. I can't take, I'll be clearing that screen immediately. So I can't take printout. So if I write in OneNote something like this, look at this. Let me show you. If I write in OneNote something like this is OneNote, right? This is OneNote. So I can take printout like this. Whatever I wrote here, I can just take printout. But now look at this here. If you observe properly, it is looking on the screen. Whatever I write here, it will be on screen actually, not on any kind of MS Office platform. It is completely I'm writing on desktop.
Yes, sir. It doesn't like.
Yes, sir, like there is no base.
Yes, there is a no. Yeah. So that is how. Look at this. Now I'm writing on desktop. So it will not be available better. Notes for question paper discussion, there will not be notes. Kindly understand. So you copy immediately, simultaneously you copy for question paper discussion alone. For rest of the things, I'll be providing notes. Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because it is easy for you to, like, next to the question, we'll be having some space, right? If I write next to the question, you also will be looking at the question, and it will be easy for us to pick the question immediately, understand the question immediately, catch the point immediately. So if I take the question and pasting here, it takes time. It's a kind of wasting process. So that is the reason. No problem. Look at this. Now what we do here is, tell me now.
This is like taking common again.
What I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one beautiful step here. Look at it here. From these two steps, we'll take x square common. From these two steps, we'll take 4y square common. Can we do like this?
Sir, almost
Yes,
you can
sir.
like take 2x from the first two.
No problem. Look at this here. So, you can do anyway. No problem. Let us do in that way. 2x common. Okay, 2x common if you take from these two terms. So
Yes, sir, x square
minus 4y square.
yes, sir, minus 4y.
And again, what do you take common here?
Minus x minus 1.
Y minus y.
Yes, sir, minus y. Then
X square minus 4y square.
Yes,
Okay.
and then you will get
Again,
this.
2x. Again, what do you take common? Okay, 1 second. 2x minus y.
2x minus y, and then x square minus 4y square. Yes, and then you have to again like do
A plus b into a minus b. That's it.
Yes, sir, and that's it. So 2y, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Here 2y. Why? Because you will be writing like a square.
Yes, yes. Yeah, 4 root is 2. Yes, sir.
This can be written as how beta? X square minus 2y whole square, right?
Yes,
A
that's the
square
first one. Sir.
Yeah. So which option is correct? Option A is
Sir,
correct.
A, sir. A, sir.
Any doubts? Or else you can do one thing beta. From these two terms you can take common. Let's make the process very simple. Look at this here. Let us solve in that way also. 1 second. Let me choose the pen, black pen. Yeah. Or else blue pen. Okay. What I'm doing here is now, see here. From these two terms and from these two terms, from first and third term, what I'm taking common. Let me take x square common. So 2x minus y. Okay, from next two terms, let me take 4y square common. Yeah, anyway, you left with the same again. Anyway, it lasts for those many steps only. Anyway, it gives you the same answer. So
yes,
from these two terms, anything is correct. Yeah. Anyway, it lasts for those many steps only. No problem. Okay, children. So option A is correct. Hope you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Hope you got the
So
point.
now
Next.
like x is -1.
Yeah. Option next. X plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Beta, this type of question, what you have to do, look at it, this is a polynomial, right? X plus 1 is a factor of that thing. So x plus 1 is a
So you have
factor
to
of,
equate.
wait. X plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, right? Then what you have to do is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Already we discussed x is equal to -1. So this x minus
Yes.
1, x is equal to -1, I will be substituting in a given polynomial. What is the polynomial given to you? This is a polynomial given to you, right? Cx square plus dx plus c. So a into minus all to the power of 4. B
Sir,
into,
it's plus e, sir.
sorry.
So it's not c, sir, it's e.
Oh, it's not C. Okay. I just,
Yes, sir,
I
it's
just,
e, sir.
I just closed that, right? That is why. Yeah.
Yeah, it's e,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, 1 cube plus C into -1 whole square plus D into -1 plus E. Okay, so A minus B, -1 whole cube is minus. So A minus B minus plus C minus D plus
Plus c
E.
minus d
So which
plus
option
c.
is correct? Then
So the
A
first one,
plus
a
C
plus
plus E
c
is
plus
equal to B
d.
plus D.
To b plus d, the first one, sir.
First one is correct. Okay. Any doubts, children? See, we have to equal to the 0 basically.
Sir,
Yes.
from where that minus came, sir, after A?
Which one, beta?
That third line.
Sorry?
So
Sir,
you
he's
showed
saying that where the minus came from the b.
No. I under who is asking that question?
Sir, Prithvi, sir.
Very good, Prithvi. Which one, beta? Minus, which minus? Can you repeat again? Third line, this one? 1 second, let me write.
Third line after A, sir.
After this one. Acha. So here, minus to the power of even number is always plus 1. Okay. -1 to the power of always odd number is always -1. So this you will be getting minus here, right? That minus I wrote here.
Okay,
Understood my point? See here, if you don't understand like
Yes,
that,
sir.
-1 to the power of even number is like this: -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 is always +1. But because minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus again plus, so +1 like this. So -1 whole cube is what, Prithvi? -1 into -1 into -1. So minus into minus plus 1, again -1, minus into plus, again minus. So -1. That is how I got minus. So -1 into b is minus b. Like that I got minus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, let me clear the screen.
So the next question, like I got like wrong answer, like it's at C, sir, but I think B is only correct.
1 second. Let's see. X minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. Then x minus 3 is nothing but x is equal to 3, right? So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
then 3 cube
So 3x cube.
plus p into 3 plus q. So 27 into 3. 27 into 3, how much? 81 minus 9 plus 3p plus q is equal to 0 So 3p plus q is equal to how much? -72. Option C is correct then.
Yes, I think I made a mistake, sir.
3p plus q is equal to -72, correct? Only 3p plus q as it is. 81 minus 9, 72. Shifting right hand side becomes -72. That's it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Next question. 13th one. Look at this again. This is the polynomial given to you. Is divided by this one. Remainder is this. Then value of a is what? This type of question, very simple. Look at this here. So x plus 2 is what? So x is equal to -2, you have to substitute, and remainder is -6. So equal to the -6. That's it, isn't it? So a minus 2 whole cube plus 9 into -2 whole square plus 4 into -2 minus 1 is equal to -6. So -8a plus 4 9s 36, correct? -8 minus 1 is equal to -6. -8a, so plus 27 is equal to -6. -8a is equal to -33. 33, yeah?
Yes, sir. There's no answer for this actually. Sir, even I got
Yes, sir.
33, just like you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Only
the
time
actual
it
answer is
changed.
33 by 8. I mean,
Yes, sir. I never got the answer, so I also tried.
Same, sir.
How many of you did got the same answer?
sir,
I
I
got
actually
two.
put 3 and like 3 was the closest and I got it correct.
Yes, sir. Even I put 3, sir. I just thought like 33, so 3. I just put
Same, sir.
No, how did you answer that?
Sir,
No, sir,
like
like because
33.
Acha, by dividing that, so it comes around 4 point something. 4.1 something you get.
yes, sir. 4.1
Yes, sir.
something, sir. Something I just clicked, sir, because
No. Actually, you can't click like that, beta. You can't do that.
no,
4
sir. Like it was not near. There's no.
Yeah, that is
33
not the way to do, but yeah, option is not available. Nothing wrong from your side, actually. Yeah, so I'll deduct this question. So 2 questions, total 2 questions. No problem.
So the next one also I didn't get it.
1 second. So shall I clear the screen? Option none of the option is available. So it should be 33 by 8 actually. Option D should be correct, means option D should be 33 by 8. Okay, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me correct next. Reminder, the remainder of this polynomial f of x is divided by g of x is what?
Zero.
This one also we didn't know, sir. Like I couldn't
What is
see
f of
the
x, g of x? How come 0? Who said 0?
It's not 0, sir.
I mean, there should be something actually.
Yes, sir. Like there should be a polynomial, sir.
Or else f of x.
sir, it was actually given like x divided by x, right? So I thought it was 1.
Sorry?
Yes, sir. That's what, sir. X and X. Yes, sir. That's what we thought. X by X is 1.
So that
Like
should
there's
be
no polynomial, sir.
minus 1.
But actually, yeah, there should have been something. Okay, no problem. Leave this. 3 questions. So, guys, those who got marks, those who lost marks for this, you can see total 3 questions were wrong, right? So from those 3 questions, if at all you got by luckily you got attempted, like you attempted 2 questions and you got 2 questions correct and 1 question got wrong, means you ask mark for one for that 1 question. I'd add the mark.
The same for me, sir. I got like 2 correct and 1 was wrong. What are the 3?
Okay, no problem. The reminder.
Sir, at the end of the class, can you like show all the questions like where it went wrong? All of them.
At the end of the class?
Like, can you show like what all questions like went wrong again one more time?
Yeah, sure.
Like anyone show the 13th question just for a minute?
Why? What happened?
Yeah, like I just wanna.
This is the question wrong. You just copy. 14th question is wrong here. Someone is asking, right? I think Harsh.
No, sir. I mean the 12th question. 12th
One
one.
second. I think what is her name? Harshita. What is her name? Harshvika. Harshvika, you are
Yes,
asking,
sir.
right, beta? So this question is wrong, beta. 14th is wrong. Oh my goodness.
The 14th one, how I actually did that was like it's x divided by x, right? So I thought it was.
You can't like that. You can't do
Sir,
that.
like can you like show the 12th one?
So this is wrong actually. 12th one.
Yes, one for 1 minute.
12th one.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Next. The remainder when x to the power of 100 is divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. The remainder when x to the power of 100 is divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, how did you solve this? X square minus 3x plus 2 is divided by x to the power of 100. Okay, x to the power of 100. Guys, pretty simple question, but very logical, very interesting question. How many of you did this? Hello, people.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I did it.
Yes. How did you solve it? You solved. You're saying you solved, right? How did you solve it? I'm asking a very simple question. Pretty good and pretty simple question. See, the remainder when x to the power of 100 is divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. Correct? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we know that, see, what is the condition? Basically, what is the, we have been learning one condition, right? One formula. What is the formula? Divisor, I mean, dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus
Plus remainder. Remainder.
right? So a remainder, see, divided by this polynomial. See here, very good question. Everyone try to listen to me. You take any polynomial. Look at this here. For suppose I don't know what is the dividend here. What is the dividend? Dividend is what, beta? X to the power of 100, right?
X for 100.
So let us take
So I
this
think you have to like so the divisor we can actually convert into like two like quadratic trinomial. We can
Yes, basically look at it, this is a quadratic polynomial, right? You can just convert into two terms actually. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So x common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 common again.
x minus 1 and x minus.
So these are the two terms I got from this particular polynomial given to you. Correct? Yeah. What is the dividend, beta, here? Dividend is x to the power of 100. Okay. Now divisor is what? Divisor is what? X minus 2 into x minus 1.
X minus 2.
Into quotient is what? I don't know what is quotient. So let us take it as q of x plus. And the remainder is what?
What, sir?
Sorry?
See, took the question as what, sir? I cannot see it properly.
Question what I took. I didn't understand your question.
Quotient, sir.
Quotient. Quotient is nothing but, beta, I'm representing with q. Q of x is nothing but the quotient which I'm going to get. That is, I'm giving a name called q. Quotient name I'm giving q, which is in the variable of x. That is the meaning of that.
Yes.
Your name is Shreyasi, right? You got a name called Shreyasi. Now I just gave a name for this quotient like q of x. Okay, understood my point? Like that. The remainder is what? I don't know what is the remainder. Remainder you take anything, but ax plus b I'm taking. Any remainder. I don't know. Ax plus b. Let q of x is equal to quotient and axb is equal to remainder. Okay. All right. Yes. Now we'll just simplify here. Now what we do here, beta, see, we will be taking x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, we'll be substituting. See, x is equal to 1, let's take, and x is equal to 2, we'll take, and we'll substitute. Okay. So
Yes,
what
so
we
then
do
we'll
here,
get remainder.
yeah. Basically, see, I don't know the polynomial, right? We don't know the polynomial, so we will dividend also will give some other name. Okay, we will do one thing. Well, first of all, we'll write let dividend we are take p of x. Divisor what we got, better? Divisor what we got? X minus 2 into x minus 1 into quotient is what here? Q of x. And the remainder, let us take some ax plus b. Okay. Yes. P of x. What is this P of x given to you? X to the power of 100, right? X to the power of 100 given to you. Okay. And x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 into q of x plus ax plus b. So if x is equal to 1, okay, if x is equal to 1, then p of 1 is going to be what? P of 1 is going to be what? 1 minus 2 into 1
So one only. One.
into q
Yes.
plus a plus b. So p of 1 is going to be this 0 into q plus a plus b. 0 into something is 0. So p of 1 is going to be a plus b. Am I correct?
Yes.
Isn't it? So p of 1 is nothing but what, beta? 1 second. So p of 1 is nothing but 1 to the power of 100, right? Here x to the power of 100, right? P of x. So 1 to the power of 100. So 1 to the power of 100 is what? 1 only. So a plus b is equal to 1 I got. Let us take this as equation number 1. Understood my point? Correct? Hello? Are you understanding my point? What we have to find out? We need to find out remainder, beta. I don't know the remainder.
Yes,
I don't know the remainder. I took remainder as ax plus b. So I got a value now. A is what here? I don't know. B is what here? I don't know. Let's find out a and b values here. Okay, a and b values. Let's find out. So next, guys, what we do here is, let me erase this, guys. Let me erase this. Please, you hope you copied that. So let me create some space. Okay. Yeah. Now, let me continue here. Let me continue from here. So, if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, what is going to happen? Same thing. X is equal to is
2 power 100.
yes, 2 power of 100. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into something 0 plus 2a plus b. Correct? So let me continue here. So 2 to the power of 100 is equal to 0 plus 2a plus b. Correct? Isn't it, beta? Correct? Am I correct? So now, are you able to understand here? So what is from this? What is the b value? 1 minus a, right? B value is 1 minus a. So let's take this b value and substitute here. So 2 to the power of 100 is equal to a plus b is what, beta? 1 minus a. 2 to the power of 100 as it is a plus 1. Correct? Understood? A value is what now? 2 to the power of 100 minus 1 is a value. Okay. Now b value is going to be what? Then b value is what? B is going to be 1 minus a. A is what? 2 to the power of 100 minus 1. So b is going to be 1 minus 2 to the power of 100 minus plus. So b value is going to be 2 minus 2 to the power of 100. Correct? This is b value.
And you have to add them both, sir. Like,
Yes, that's it.
And then what's the
So-
remainder?
Yeah. See, why I took ax plus b? How did I get an idea that to take ax plus b as reminder? Why? Because isn't it looking like ax plus b something, ax plus b something? Look at this. Isn't it the options? Check the options. Something into x plus something. That is how we are given. So a, b values I got here. So therefore, remainder is what, beta? Remainder is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b is nothing but 2 to the power of 100 minus 1 into x plus b. B is what? This is b. Which option is matching here? Option A is matching. Check kar lo. Isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
Option A is
It's
matching.
matching.
yes, sir.
Any doubts? Children, any doubts?
Yes.
Very simple. Elimination
No, sir.
method, elimination, substitution. What I did here, I just substituted x value 1 and x value 2. Where is that? Here. How I got that x value to 1 and 2? From this. So if I factorize this, I'll be getting x minus 1, x minus 2. After factorizing this, I got this. So that's how I just took that, substituted, got a value as like this, b value as like this, substituted here.
But sir,
Yeah.
in the A option, it is given reverse, sir, at last one.
No problem.
The 2
no
minus-
problem. Yes. Here, look at this beta here. For 2100, we have minus. So 2 to the, this is not 2100 beta. This is 2 to the power of 100. Okay. For 2 to the power of 100, we have minus here. Let's check kar lo. For plus 2, we have plus. So for 2, we have plus. Understood my point?
Yes, sir. Like 1 minus 2 or minus 2 plus 1, both are same.
Look at, yes, very good. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is what, beta? Minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is what? Still minus 1 only. Both are same or not? Pratik, understood?
Yes, sir.
See, you write anything, but both are correct only. As Lalit give the very good example, you can compare with that. So that is how you can just do that.
Like, can I leave? I have another class.
Yes, please, you can leave, guys. Okay, guys, those who have other class, you may leave now. Those who are having extra class, you may stay tuned. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, those actually what we do is, okay, let me continue then, no problem. Shall we continue or shall we wind up the meeting and let's join again and let's start recording again? What we do?
We will join again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please you do join again. Why? Because I'll be writing in a different. I'll be writing with us. I'll be talking about real numbers again. So yeah, we have to upload that in a separate playlist. Okay, so you join me within a minute. Everyone should join me back again. Thank
Yes.
you. Join me quickly.
Yes, sir.
Same link. Everything. Everyone should join.